Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today we'll be learning how you can change resolution in Honor of Kings. To change the resolution in Honor of Kings, first of all, launch the Honor of Kings application on your device and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. Right after you do that, you will then need to go ahead and tap on graphics option on the left-hand menu. Inside graphic, go to the top of the screen and tap on resolution option. Here you will see ultra, high and standard resolution options. Select the resolution that suits your device performance. After making a selection, you can then go back to the game. Some resolutions changes may require you to restart the game for full effect. And that's how you can easily change your resolution in Honor of Kings. If the video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.